Guangzhou, Wansheng Jisun Technology Limited is located in one of the largest construction machinery trade centers in Guangzhou, a city which is famous for trading. Is a professional excavator parts supplier who focuses on excavator parts selling. Main ranges are excavator electric parts such as controller, monitor, throttle motor, sensor, solenoid valve, wire harness, hydraulic series. Stable quality, good service, and competitive price have been already won customers' trust all over the world, including South America, Europe, Asia, North America. Our company was established in 2015 in Guangzhou. The company has been adhering to the quality first, integrity first, customer first philosophy. Our company has our own associated factory here and has our own team, sales department, after-sales department, financial department, warehouse department, and maintenance. Professional teams and service have helped our customers solve many problems. We are a verified supplier of Alibaba, verified by SGS Group, SGS CSTC Standards Technical Services Company Limited. It is the world's largest and oldest multinational company engaged in product quality control and technical appraisal. Meanwhile, we offer warranty for all our products. Guangzhou Wansheng Jisun Technology Limited sincerely thank the vast number of customers and friends at home and abroad, as always support, is willing to work with all new and old customers based on the principle of mutual benefits and win-win cooperation, the establishment of long-time friendly cooperation, common development partners, to join hands in creating a better tomorrow.